trucker was ticketed originally, but the court dismissed any charges after watching the video. The lady in the red SUV was found to have made an illegal lane change by not allowing enough room. According to the lawyers in the court, the truck driver wasn't found guilty. Driver attempts to avoid backup and crosses 2 lanes into Kammer's car. He readily admitted fault and submitted the claim with their insurance company, even before Kammer shared this clip with them. Beige Chevrolet Silverado, going well above what he should have been going in the parking lot. Overshoot the parking spot he attempted to go into and hit the Subaru Outback. Bad cycle crash with car door sent cyclist into hospital with broken ribs and a bit bruised. The cops gave the car driver a warning. According to the police, cyclist is not liable for this crash. The Prius is at fault for improper lane change.
Alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thanks for stopping and checking though.
You sure you're alright, eh?
Yeah.
Well, my lawyer will be in touch.
The car was trying to get over to the left to turn ahead of the truck and just took it too fast and took out a street light.
You can shop in-store, online, or on the LCBO app.
Hey rockers, after the show, drop by The Coven, Ottawa's only heavy metal themed restaurant. The Coven features daily menu specials like Poutine Slayer Tuesdays with 17 different poutines, all half price, or 666 Wednesday.
Car crash in Bolton, Massachusetts. Distracted driver crashes car, then leaves and hides from the police. Rollover crashed in Illinois. This is how a half second of drifting over the line can cause a massive crash. Truck rolled over, and the truck driver was transported to the hospital.
Started watching on Warlocky on YouTube and got radicalized online and then decided to do something terrible without communicating about it. I mean, isn't El Paso sort of what we...
Whoa. Pull over, right here. I'm gonna call 911.
My experience at the National Counterterrorism Center was this process of radicalization. Individual latches on to a hate-based ideology, whether it's Al Qaeda, Warlocky on YouTube and got radicalized online and then decided to do something terrible without communicating about it. I mean, isn't El Paso sort of what we...
Whoa. Pull over, right here. I'm gonna call 911.
My experience at the National Counterterrorism Center was this process.
Car accident in Boston. This accident can be easily avoidable if one of the drivers just slows down and let the other one go. Car cuts off camera, then understeers into curb. Instant karma for a bad driver.
Look at this idiot. Amazing. Good work. What a jerk. It wrecked his... Look, he's got a flat tire now.
Driver tries to skip heavy traffic during rush hour by driving on the shoulder. Gets pulled over within seconds. Driver taking left turn gets T-boned. Both drivers are okay. Bad driver pulls out in front of oncoming traffic and stops, blocking both lanes. Chrysler driver makes late exit, then cuts off van with very bad lane change.
Oh my god.
Bad driver in Maidenhead, UK. Driver with poor lane discipline and bad attitude. Bike crash in Lochcarron, Scotland. Biker suffered a shattered shoulder blade, damaged spine, tear on the spleen, and a burst adrenaline gland. Apart from that, he is fine and recovering.